Rich County. Things to do in Rich County. Go see the land. Enjoy the beautiful scenery, the lakes, the farming. Learn about the history and how the land was farmed. The raspberries, they're famous for their raspberry shakes. There are many places you could go to get raspberry shakes. Bear Lake is a big tourist place there. Take your families there and go water skiing and boating and tubing and play in the sand and enjoy your time there. Other things to do in Bear Lake, there's plays, there's off-road adventures. You can take your ATVs and there's some trails just up in the hills where you can go and have adventures. So many wonderful things to be able to see and do to enjoy this beautiful country, this beautiful city, this beautiful county, Rich County.